Hello, my prepper posse. Yeah, it's been a long weekend. But I want you to know it's pouring right now. The camera gets wet. I gotta turn away for a minute. Ooh. Getting pounded right now. There's major lightning and I'm trying to stay out of it or else it's gonna be a problem. It's just coming in. Yeah, got major lightning. I'm hiding right now under the balcony. Yeah. Alright, a lot of new exciting stuff going on. I'm not going to tell you till next week. But anyway, yeah, we're in the middle of this. We just got back. We took a little bike ride. You hear it. I know my mother's crying. It's humid after the rain from California, just the humidity. Hi, Mom. But I just want to check in real quick. I want to know everybody's doing okay. Let me know in the comments section. Everybody's doing their due. Everyone's okay. It's Sunday evening. It's also September 11th. Don't forget. Well, I could never forget. Ever. So I have the flag out in the back of the bus. This is just the tip. It's just starting. So I don't want to be out in the lightning too much. But Wednesday, don't forget. Wednesday we gotta go woo. Check out the solar. So I'll take you guys along with me then. Stay safe. Don't forget to play. Here it comes. See ya!